Hey, what's up everyone? Samahan niyo na naman kami sa aming unplanned trip papuntang Dusitan. Nag-book lang kami literally that day and then diretso na kami papunta dito. Kasi one day lang yung vacation ng papa nila, umuwi lang siya and then babalik na naman siya the next day para sa work niya. So para ma-maximize namin yung time together, gumala na naman kami before siya bumalik sa pagbabarko kasi matagal din siyang magstay doon. And honestly, we really enjoyed our stay here at Dusitan. Marami silang activities for the kids and meron din for adults. Walang boring moment. The kids really enjoyed it and kami rin, of course. Maganda rin yung beach nila and if you're looking for a place where you can just relax, enjoy the peace and serenity, I think this is the good place for you. Hindi rin siya masyadong crowded, which is I really like it, and the food is also good. Plus, the staff were really nice and accommodating. The customer service was also really good and you can really feel that they make an effort to make you stay comfortable. The room was also nice and clean, although at night, medyo quiet and peaceful talaga siya. So if you're someone who doesn't like very quiet or secluded places, medyo something to consider. But overall, we really enjoyed our stay. It was a short trip pero sulit na sulit because we got to spend quality time together. Kasi diba, family is always worth it. Kaya nagpasundo na kami, tinawagan na ni MJ yung staff para sunduin kami. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye!